In this video, we are going to solve 5 questions which were asked in previous year RBI Assistant exam, and this is set 7. Now let's jump into the question. So first read the question and try to solve it by yourself. Hope you would have solved this question. Now let's solve this particular question. Nisha invested rupees 2700 in scheme A at R% per annum simple interest for 2 years, and she invested rupees 1600 in scheme B at R% per annum simple interest for 5 years. If the total amount of interest from both the schemes is 100 R plus 408, find 4 R plus 5. Okay, so in scheme A, so for how many years? 2 years. At what percentage? R percentage. So total interest will be 2R percentage. And in scheme B, R percentage for how many years? 5 years. So in scheme B total it will be like 5 R percentage. Okay. So next in scheme A, how much percentage, how much rupees Nisha is investing? 2700. Okay. And in scheme B, 1600. So you already know this percentage and zeros will get cancelled. Okay. And what is the total amount of interest from both the scheme? It is like 100 R plus 408. So 27 into 2 R is like 54 R plus, so 16 into 5 R is like 80 R is equal to 100 R plus 408. So what is 80 plus 54? 134. So 134 R minus 100 R will be like 34 R. So 34 R is equal to 408. So what will be the value of R? So R will be 12. Now what you need to find? 4R plus 5. So 4 into 12 plus 5. So 4 into 12, 48. 48 plus 5. So the answer would be 53. Okay, so answer for this particular question is like 53. Next one. So pause this video and try to solve it by yourself. Hope you'd have solved. Now let's solve this particular question. So there are two inlet pipes X and Y and one outlet pipe Z. So what we'll be doing, inlet pipe in the sense we'll be taking it as plus and outlet in the sense minus. So connected to the tank. The combination of pipes X, Y and Z can fill the tank in 15 by 2 minutes. So X plus Y, that is X plus Y in the sense inlet, and Z. So it is like outlet, so minus. So in how many minutes? So 15 by 2. Next, and the combination of pipes Y and Z, that is Y minus Z, is how much? 30 minutes. Okay, so based on this, we'll be considering total capacity of the tank will be like 30 parts. So in 1 minute, X plus Y minus Z will be filling 4 parts and Y minus Z will be filling 1 part. Okay, so you already know X plus Y minus Z is equal to 4. Y minus Z is equal to 1. So what will be the value of X? So X will be 3. Okay, fine. So next thing, if the ratio of X efficiency to Z efficiency is 2:1. So what is the efficiency of X? 3. Okay, and what will be the efficiency of Z? The ratio is like 2:1. If this is 2 part and this will be like 1.5. Then based on this, you need to find what is the value of Y. Okay, see you already know Y minus Z efficiency is like 1. So what will be the value of Y? 2.5. So 2.5 minus 1.5 will be getting efficiency as 1. Then how much time will it take for X and Z together? Okay, so X and Z together. So you already know Z is like outlet pipe. Okay, so 3 minus 1.5, 1.5. Okay, so what is the capacity of the tank? It is like 30 parts. So if we cancel, we'll be getting 20. So answer for this particular question is like 20 minutes. Next one. So pause this video and try to solve it by yourself. Hope you'd have solved. Now let's solve this particular one. So Raman can make 80 wooden toys in 16 hours. Okay, so Raman 18 toys in 16 hours. That means in 1 hour, how many toys? 5 toys. Okay, that is 80 divided by 16. Next, Aman and Raman can make 220 toys in 20 hours. That means in 1 hour, it will be like 11 toys. See, in 1 hour, Raman can do 5 toys, and Aman and Raman can do 11. That means Aman alone will do how many toys in 1 hour? 6 toys. Okay. Find the time taken by Aman alone to make 180 wooden toys. See, in 1 hour, 6 toys in the sense. So 180 by 6, 30 hours. So total hours is like 30 hours. Okay. Next. So pause this video and try to solve it by yourself. In a container, there is a mixture of alcohol and water totaling 280 liters. Okay. So what are the two things? Alcohol and water. So what is the total capacity? It is like 280. And in the ratio, what is the ratio? 4 is to 3. That means how much liter of alcohol will be there and how much liter of water will be there. So here we'll be having 160 liter of alcohol and 120 liter of water. So how will be finding this? So 280 into 4 by 7. This is nothing but alcohol. So 280 into 3 by 7, which is nothing but water. So 160 and 120. Now, after removing 33.33%, that is 1 by 3 of the water. So what is 1 by 3rd of 120? It is like 40. Okay. Now 160 and sorry, it is like 80. Okay. So 160 and 80. So this is the thing. Okay, after removing 33.33% of the water and adding 25% of the mixture. So what is 25% of 160? 40. So what is 25% of 80? 20. And finally adding X liters of alcohol. Okay, again they are going to add X liters of alcohol. The ratio of water to alcohol becomes 4 is to 9. Okay, so water to alcohol is like 4 is to 9. So if you observe 80 plus 20, you'll be getting 100. Okay, 100. So if 4 part is like 100, then 9 part will be 225. So 160 plus 40 plus which number will be getting 225? So what is 160 plus 40? 200. So 200, 225 minus 200, 25. So answer for this particular question is like 25. Next. So try to solve this by yourself. Okay, so hope you would have solved. So we'll assume initially the salary of a person is like 100 part. Okay, in that 100, 30% of the salary is spending on books. So what is 30% of 100? 30. So what is the remaining? 70. Okay, 25% of the remaining on traveling and 20% of the remaining on food. So we'll just interchange. So first I'm going to calculate for food. Okay, this is for books. So 20% of the remaining. What is 20% of 70 is 14. So remaining is like 56 and 25% of the remaining on traveling. So what is 25% of 56? Again 14. This is like traveling. So remaining is like 42. This is nothing but he saves. If the sum of amount spends on traveling and food is 9800. Okay, so traveling and food is 28 part. So 28 part is 9800. Find the salary of that person, which is 100 part. Okay, so now we'll cancel it. 9800 into 100 divided by 28 is nothing but the value of x. Okay, so by 7 table this is like 4 times and it is like 1400. So again you'll be getting 350. So 350 into 100 you'll be getting 35,000. So answer for this particular question will be like 35,000. So hope you would have liked this video. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.